Hello everybody, this is Noah, and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and review of the Amazing Spider-Man collection. So I actually own the Tobey Maguire Spider-Man trilogy that is packaged very similarly to this, where the villains' faces are on the front, the silhouettes of their faces, that is. I've only seen the first Amazing Spider-Man. I actually haven't seen the second one. Prime Day, it was on sale for $17, so I had to pick that up. Two movies, 17 bucks, and I liked the first one. I thought I'd give the second one a try. I know Andrew Garfield isn't the most favorite Spider-Man in film history, but I liked him in the first one, and it kind of took a different route than the other Spider-Man movies have taken, so that's why I was interested. It comes with Blu-ray and digital. Here's the back if you want to see it. Pause the video if you want to read any of that information right there. And I'm going to flip through and see what all we get. First off, you got your digital copy, so I'm going to set that aside. And then inside here, you got a shot of Andrew Garfield swinging, or whoever his stunt double is. And then, similar to the Tobey Maguire Spider-Man, you have lots of art and lots of both essays and commentary from Mark Webb. So, and then lots of information about behind the scenes, sets, and lots of also photos from behind the scenes. Very, very cool. I showed off packaging similar to this in the Spider-Man trilogy by Sam Raimi, because this packaging is almost identical, if not being for the Amazing Spider-Man movies. So, lots of cool things to look at in here. But, it's weird. Pages relatively thicker than the other ones, and then this one's even more thicker. Anyways, inside here you got a shot of New York City and Spider-Man's hand with his web device, and then the disc art looks like Spider-Man climbing a building. Nice. It's a nice, beautiful shot, though. Same thing with the Sam Raimi trilogy. It has awesome art for the pages. So if you haven't seen that video, go check that out on my channel, and you can see me open that one and take a look at it. And then on the second page here, we have the disc. It looks like Spider-Man on top of a truck. Like I said, I have not seen The Amazing Spider-Man 2, so I'm going to have to watch that. I'm not sure who that villain is, but there's Spider-Man dodging their electricity, what it looks like. And then here is behind the scenes, looks like with Andrew Garfield, and I can't remember the actress's name that plays Gwen Stacy, but that's them behind the scenes shot, it looks like, of him swinging. And you get the bonus disc right here with some more bonus material. And finally on the back we have a awesome shot of Spider-Man looking off into the distance on top of a police car, what it looks like. I think that shot's from the first Spider-Man, if I remember correctly. I think that's shortly after he meets the police commissioner for the last time, if I remember correctly. It's been a while since I saw the movie, but I'm excited to watch them both again now. Well, first one again, second one for the first time. That'll be about it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.